Yeah.
So like,
Okay, so you must have heard that in our Hindu mythology also, the people would sing song and it would rain. There was a god of rain, there was god of sun, there was god of air. ये सब था ना? है
Priyan
अभी भी.
Shah के सो जाओ.
That's all there, right? So what are these? Even in the temples, if you go, you will see the angels on the Gopuram. So Gopuram is the top, or beach mein you will see multiple angels, right? Even the temple gate will be adorned with a symbol of angels. Noticed? Yeah. So agar notice nahi kiya, you can open up your Google and you can see Meenakshi temple or any other temple that you've been to. They're always angel with wings. They are devas also, but they're angels with wings as well. So they have been in our Hindu mythology as well, all of these. So people would sing song and it would rain. There was drought, people would sing, it would rain. They would call upon the angels. So it was our way. So I think our way was connecting directly through songs, through the ragas, connecting directly to them, not just by prayers, by connecting to their celestial frequency. The moment we would match their celestial frequency, uh, they would hear us and it would happen. So connecting with angels just by prayers is one thing, but then raising your vibration, raising your frequency is also important. So how do we do that? How do we raise our vibration and how do we connect, make our frequencies so high that we are able to connect with them? When can we do that? What helps us to raise our frequency? So here's the question, which we will have a discussion on. Opening the session for discussion, because I think we've done this enough. Yes, tell me. How can you raise your frequency and vibration so that it's easy for you to connect?
Meditation,
Gratitude.
when our aura is
Attitude.
when
Yes.
our aura gets cleaner and cleaner,
Yes.
devoid all negativity,
Purity of heart
all
and giving.
Absolutely.
Purity of heart and giving.
Gratitude, forgiveness.
when we
Yes.
let go of so many things that sticks on to us.
Yes. And once we reach that frequency, whatever we ask for is given. Purane Zamane mein, you must have heard that the sages would say something and it would manifest instantly. कुछ भी बोलते थे तथास्तु हो जाता था and it would just happen. They would just utter a word and it is done. Right? There was a time when this would happen. Why doesn't that happen today, in today's time?
Because
People
अंदर
are
एक
not
बात है,
sincere.
बाहर एक बात है.
They are not sincere.
Kaljug.
No, because people don't keep their word. People don't keep their word also.
Yes.
Or
People
so.
don't keep their word is one thing. That's very important. Whatever you
And the
say.
purity is missing, you know,
Yes.
purity of thought. And what we eat these days, non-vegetarian food and all, it repels, causes a lot of negativity.
The environment.
And purity in giving also. I mean, since the
Thought-
angels.
Thoughts
Yes.
are not clean. The intention is not clean. It is just
Intention is not clean. Okay.
Commitment to.
There is also
I'll come in 5 minutes and you take 10 minutes.
Yeah, right.
There is no power in your word.
Yeah.
You lose the power. Yeah?
जो बोलते हैं वो करते नहीं हैं.
लगता है कि it's a very small thing, but it's not a small thing. Committing to our words.
Yeah,
it's
we
not
don't
a small
honor our
thing.
word.
Saying and action is different.
Yes. And then not trusting, not believing in our own self.
Yeah.
That's what. Doubts.
Then what? It's all about practicing, right? It's all about getting into
Yeah.
practice and reaching there. It's
Concentration.
understand. Concentration, I would say mindfulness is a better word here.
Focus on what
Mindfulness. You be very mindful of what you're thinking and what you want.
You are saying.
सबसे पहले
and
तो
what
it's
you're
very
doing.
important to understand what you really want.
Hmm.
Getting very clear
Clear.
with your ask. Because unless and until we don't know what we really want, we're just doing nothing. We're just anticipating कि अब ये हो जाएगा, जब होगा तो ठीक होगा. Nothing will come our way. So asking, and before that being very clear with our ask is also very important. So that's why the goals comes. We are human. We need to have that clarity. We haven't reached that stage where we would say we don't need anything and everything is coming to us easily. Everything will come to us easily, effortlessly, only when we know what we really want, what we really focus on. One pointedness. If you have 5,
अवेयरनेस होनी चाहिए.
if you have 10 goals, then focus on one at a time. Make that your goal and uske upar focus karo and make that happen. Then focus on the second. Put all your energy. And of course, why I'm talking about this right now is then there are angels who can help you with all of this. Why I've told you this, that if you ask for rain, the rain comes. If you ask for, there was a time when people would ask for rain and the rain would come. If people would ask for certain things and it would happen. I have there's an incident that happened with us. We were at the ashram and Acharya Hermi was there and it was raining. There's an ashram in Pune, so it was raining like cats and dogs, and हम लोग सुबह अपने room से निकलते थे, and to go to the hall, it was quite a walk, and we would get wet. So class शुरू ही नहीं होती थी because people would go back, change and come. तो यही सब चलता रहता था. So you know what happened? She said, "Let us just sit down, calm ourselves down. Let us pray." We were about 80 of us. We prayed together. Angel Devas, thank you for helping us understand and do this class successfully and understand everything easily. I don't know what were the exact words. I don't know, but it was for the angels of trees and nature beings and nature devas. We were actually connecting. To my amazement, the minute we finished with the prayer, the rain stopped. We could go back, dry ourselves up, change and come. And the moment we came back, वो tarpals सब कुछ, because it's a 3-side open thing. So वो tarpals तब तक लग गई थी, arrange हो गया था, and we could do the class easily for 2 days. Together, we just prayed, nothing else that we did. We just prayed to nature devas and nature angels. They exist. They showed us. When I heard this for the first time, and I was at the ashram, I asked that I want to, it's a beautiful ashram. So I wanted to see it. It was all covered. It was cloudy. It was all covered. And I just said that I want to see it clearly. To my surprise, it may sound unbelievable to you, but I've seen it with my own eyes. The clouds just shifted for a while. I could see clearly the mountains because कुछ एक mountain top है which has some there's some specific mountain which they asked कि यहाँ पर है वो देखना. It's a very some different mountain. We could see it. I've forgotten, it's 3 years back when I had gone, 3-4 years back. And I could see it. And the moment I turned around, again, it was cloudy. And not only me, there are a lot of people who experienced this kind of thing, because I think that was the first time we had gone there. So Master was showing us the magic and miracles of angels and the nature devas that you ask and it is given. So whenever we do a class, energies are so high that everything manifests. Whenever we get together in a group, and especially a group of more than 50, 100 people, the energies are so high that whatever we will ask, it will manifest. That's why I ask you that please write your affirmations after the class gets over. Because it is said that whenever there is a group of people who get together for some religious talk or for something for the benefit of the world, that there are thousands of angels who are surrounding each one of us. And when they're surrounding each one of us, our vibrations are high, our energies are high. Do you feel good after the session? Right? Because in a group, when we say we all are one, we all are together, we all get connected, we pray, we align ourselves somewhere. When we align ourselves, there's a beautiful energy, there's a downpour of energy that happens for all of us. And that's why we feel so calm, we feel so composed and feel so relaxed at that time. You agree with me? Right? So going ahead. So how do we ask and talking about the angels, I will open up my PPT to let's talk about so healing angel, we all know, Archangel Raphael. If we need any kind of healing in our life, we'll call upon Archangel Raphael and ask him, please show me. So iske baad, after the session gets over, try it for yourself. See, ask that I need healing. Please show me. Show me your presence. Give me a sign that I'm healed. We all need healing at some or other level, whether physical, emotional, mental, spiritual. We all are on that path of healing, right? We all need something. So after the session gets over, let's ask. Show us. Because when we are together, when we stay together, when we form a egregore of energies together, there's a huge downpour that takes place. Don't take it for granted. So let's connect with each other first, do a small invocation, and then we'll begin knowing our angels better. Okay? So remove your specs. Take a deep breath. Relax your mind, relax your body. And as you concentrate on your inhalation and your exhalation, your mind and body are deeply, deeply relaxed. Your mind and body are deeply relaxed, very relaxed. Mentally connect to each one on the group and say we all are one. May the wishes of each and every participant, may the aspirations of each and every participant on this group be fulfilled, be manifested. We all are one, we all are together, we all are children of God. We all are one with God and one with all. At the soul level, we all are one. Children of the Most High, children of the Supreme. We're all guided, protected, by the angels. There are thousands and thousands of angels who are now connecting to each one of us. Mentally say, Dear God, our Creator, and to all the archangels and angels, and my guardian angel, we humbly invoke for your divine presence in our life. Thank you for helping us believe in you, see you, hear you, experience you, feel you, know you even better. That we are able to get a clear sign from you. That we make the right choices in life, choose the right path, take the right action, and live a soulful life with your guidance and with your presence. This is possible. Archangel Michael, thank you for healing us, disconnecting all the cords from us. Archangel of Fire, thank you for healing us. Archangel Zophiel, thank you for beautifying our thoughts, aligning us. Archangel Uriel, thank you for shining your bright light upon us, removing all the darkness from within, that we see with clarity the purpose of our life. Archangel Raziel, thank you for disclosing little mysteries of the universe, helping us to understand our life purpose clearly. Archangel Gabriel, thank you for always helping us understand the messages from God clearly and giving us the strength and courage to walk the path. With your presence, with your blessings, with your guidance, everything is possible. With deep, deep gratitude, with lots of respect and love, we thank you in full faith. Feel the warmth of these angels around you. It's a celebration. When we all are together with our angels, helping each other grow, evolve, being with each other in good times, bad times, celebrating our life. Thank you for bringing all of us together. Together, we are healing ourselves at all levels with your help and guidance. And whenever you're ready, you can gently and slowly open your eyes and smile. All right, so I am about to open my PPT. Okay, so here, as there are a lot of angels, whatever issue we have in our life, we have an angel specifically for that. So angel of abundance. There's a beautiful thing that I have read that, you know, prosperity angels and angel of abundance, they're always at a high energy place, high frequency place, and place which is very beautiful, clean. So ऐसी कौन सी जगह होती है जो बहुत beautiful और clean होती है? Yes, nature, natural park. Then where else do you find beauty? Manicured gardens, right? Okay, I'm getting a lot of chat messages here, which I can't see because my, right? So these are the places where we have angels of abundance in abundance. So whenever you go to 5-star hotels or you go to some place which is very beautiful, a museum or some beautiful ornamental park, you can call upon archangel temples as well. You can call upon archangels of abundance to help you with all your financial decisions. Ask for the career boost, bring about financial windfalls, help you meet your basic needs, leave coins for you to find. See? Leave coins for you to find, so that it is a sign that yes, the abundance is coming into my life with the help of divine timings to make the best career move in your life. Then comes the healing angels. As we have discussed so much about healing angels, Archangel Raphael, the head of the healing angels, any issues that you have, any worries that you have about your health, about your any issue, about not only about your health for your own self, but about your family member or anybody else that you're concerned of, call upon Archangel Raphael. You can not only call for you yourself, as I have told you, whenever you cross a hospital, or if you find somebody who is not well, who is sick, even an animal, call Archangel Raphael to be there with him, to be there and help them in this healing. I'm going to be sharing this slide with you, so in case you are copying, don't do that. I'm going to be doing it. So if you want, you can take a screenshot if you wish to. Then the angels of beauty. Angels of beauty is Archangel Zophiel. Zophiel beautify our thoughts, our emotions. So anywhere you think that you're not thinking the right thought, there's something wrong with your thinking. Ab kaise pata lagega that your thinking is not right? Because you're not feeling good. Sometimes, you know, everything, as we have been discussing, everything around us is so beautiful, so nice, so beautiful, but somewhere inside us we feel kuch missing hai. Unnecessarily you are worrying about certain things. That means the subconscious mind, there's some other story going on, and that story, even if you don't know, ask Archangel Zophiel to help you heal and transform that story into success. Either to show you that whatever you're thinking, or to transform those thoughts to something more beautiful, more interesting. So assist you in plucking stubborn chin hairs, bring you gifts, make you glow from inside and show you how very attractive you are. Okay, that is for beauty. That is for external beauty, if you want to look beautiful. But internally, if you want your thoughts to be beautiful, that's also Archangel Zophiel, by the way. Then family angels. So there are angels like Archangel Gabriel, Metatron, which help you with your children also, with help you making you understand, bring your family together. Then any project that you have with your family, anything that you want to manifest, you want to harmonize something, Archangel Gabriel and Archangel Metatron will help you. Encourage family members to be open-minded and compassionate toward one another and protect the home. So for home protection, Archangel Gabriel and Metatron is one. Then comes the warrior angel. So warrior angel, of course, that is Archangel Michael. Archangel Michael, you can call upon him whenever you are stuck, whenever you're feeling that this is repeating in my life and you want to cut the cause from that situation which is occurring in your life again and again. Same sequence, same instance, bar bar aa raha hai. Help me to understand this situation better. Please cut me from those situations, cut me from those people which is preventing me to live a better life. Archangel Michael. Then comes a romance angel. Kis kisko chahiye romance angels? Bringing back the harmony in our life. Beautiful relation in our life where all the family members are in a very beautiful relationship with each other. So that also there are cherubic, chote baby angels hote hain na? Those are cherubs. So you can keep, you can ask those to come and sit on your shoulder and ask them to be with you all the time. And unke paas ek chota sa bow and arrow hota hai. So, you know, whenever you see someone who is not happy with you or have a very sulky face or something, you can ask that cherub to please, can you throw that arrow of love to that person? It's important to how you use these angels for your benefit. Make it fun. So have them with you all the time. So what I've written here, not me, but I've copied it. Bring people together, heal troubled relationship, add fun and passion to them, and offer guidance about readying yourself to meet your soulmate. Okay. Then comes the fitness angels. So in case you want to be motivated to become fit, if you are feeling lethargic, lazy, don't want to exercise, you have addiction and food addiction, this addiction, that addiction, ask your fitness angels to help you heal that situation, cut your cords. So you can, for this, you can call upon multiple angels. You can call upon Archangel Michael to help you cut the cords from that addiction, from laziness, remove that laziness, remove that stress which is preventing you from being fit, which is preventing you from exercising, eliminating the urges to eat or to sleep or to be lazy or to be in your comfort zone all the time. You don't want to move out of your comfort zone. We call upon these few angels. If you relating any of these, yes, I want to come out of my comfort zone. Maybe I'm too comfortable. I don't want to take chances. I don't want to take risk in my life. It's time to move. It's time to actually take that one step out. बहुत टाइम से अगर आप एक ही चीज कर रहे हो, you haven't done anything else, you haven't tried anything else, though you want to, think, how can my life become so exciting? How can my life become so beautiful? What more can I do to have a great life, live a most beautiful life? And here comes the answer. जैसे ही पता लगे, yes, I want to do it. And you know what? So many self-motivation book, when you read, you will say that when you are fearful about certain thing, जो आप करना चाहते हो, and you're very fearful of doing it, that's where your success is. You want to do it, but you're a little scared, you're a little fearful. And so many of us say, ठीक है, रहने दो. We're so comfortable here. Let me not try, let me not do it. Do it anyway. Feel the fear and do it anyway. This is the quote, you know. पता नहीं किसका है, but it's very amazing. Whenever I feel fearful, this is a quote. Feel the fear and do it anyway. Do it anyway. And ask your angels to help you. They release that fear completely so that you become magnificent and do it. Then comes the nature angels. Those are beautiful. Whenever you go to a forest or you go to a park or you go to a beautiful place where there are a lot of trees, beautiful flowers, orchards, that's the time when you call upon these fairies, these devas, elementals, elves, then call upon them and ask for their help. Then, as you know, that everything, every flower, every butterfly, every tree, every water body, everything, mountain, every mountain also has a angel. Because I'm from Himachal, हमारे वहाँ पर तो एक एक पहाड़ का एक देवता होते हैं. So on every mountain there is a temple of a devta, and I've seen it. पता नहीं आप लोगों ने I want to share this with you. अगर मेरी मम्मा है तो mama would love to tell you about this. Let me see mama is there or not. We have seen it with our own eyes, this miracle happening. If you go to Himachal, you will see वहाँ पर ना रथ यात्रा होती है ना, जैसे उड़ीसा में जगन्नाथ रथ यात्रा होती है. सिमिलरली बालाजी टेम्पल में और साउथ के टेम्पल्स में उनको रथ पे बिठा के एक चक्कर टेम्पल का वो चक्कर लगाते हैं. सिमिलरली इन माउंटेन्स ऑल्सो दे डू द सेम थिंग. और उनमें इतनी एनर्जी होती है that if we think the people who are carrying the Lord is taking them, it's not that. It's the Lord who's taking them. I have seen with my own eyes that those people with the Lord, वो एक दो लकड़ी होती है, लकड़ी के ऊपर एक चीज बना होता है और उसके ऊपर रखते हैं. I don't know what it is called. तो suddenly they're going up on the mountain, suddenly they're going down in the valley. ऊपर नीचे they keep doing. Palki, yes. Thank you, palanquin, yes. Somewhat similar to palanquin. Yeah, thank you. So, and they would go to certain people and वहीं पर ही रुक जाएंगे. So फिर उन लोगों से वो कहते हैं कि आपने जो दान देना है या कुछ देना है. फिर हम लोगों के दिमाग में क्या आता है? It's a gimmick. ये तो पैसा लेने का होता है. We don't believe in all of that. But mountains में अभी भी ये purity है. Mountains में there are still people who are pure at heart. They still have those energies which has the power to manifest things. वहाँ के लोग बहुत simple and very down to earth होते हैं. It's not. So anything that you want to share about Connected? Have you experienced anything of this sort? So I'm opening up the group.
Shaili, definitely.
Shaili,
Yeah.
When we go
I
to
want to share
Mansarovar,
something.
Can I?
Yes, Saraswati.
Yeah, if you remember, day before the third session tha, I said, I'm not feeling like doing it and I'm very detached and all. And you sent me a beautiful message. And after that, I had my recording in the evening. रात को एक जो बचा हुआ session था. Next day morning, when I got up and I came off my bedroom, when I walked in my hall, you won't believe मेरा hall पूरा fragrance से भरा हुआ था. Morning में 5:45 बजे. और मेरे husband के अलावा मेरे अलावा इस घर में अभी कोई नहीं रहता है. दिया बत्ती हुआ नहीं था. My husband was in deep sleep. Only I walked in कि मुझे walk के लिए जाना है. And full hall was full of fragrance. And I was surprised कि इतनी खुशबू कहाँ से आई है. And earlier you said कि you feel the fragrance and all when angels are around there. And while sleeping, I said, कि I'm not feeling like doing this workshop and I'm not feeling attached. So please show me your presence. I want my answer by tomorrow morning. And I got that fragrance. I walked out. I went for a walk. जैसे ही मैं सोसाइटी से बाहर निकली, मेरे नेक्स्ट सोसाइटी में से there come a car और SUV थी बड़ी and बड़े अक्षरों से 9999. And it just came and that car came in front of me and I walked around 100 meters and I just felt a breeze with fragrance again.
Beautiful.
And अभी भी मैं अपना सेशन चल रहा था, मैं बेडरूम में से वापस हॉल में आई, I felt a fragrance again.
See, you've asked with a very sincere heart because you did not feel like and you were not believing कि क्या हो रहा है, कर भी रहे हैं या नहीं.
जबकि मेरे घर में अभी गाजर का हलवा बन रहा है, उसकी खुशबू होनी चाहिए, पर खुशबू आ रही है फ्रेग्रेंस की, फ्लावर्स की.
Okay.
So
Super.
I don't know.
Anybody else who wants to share?
I wanted to share.
Shaili, I want to.
Shelly, I wanted to share.
Yes,
something.
Alka ji.
Shelly, I had gone to Mansarovar. तो वहाँ पे मैंने ये फीलिंग बहुत शेयर करी कि जैसे हम लोग जाते हैं माउंटेन्स के ऊपर और वहाँ पे बिकॉज वैलीज रहती है तो बहुत सकड़ी वैलीज रहती है एंड टू गो थ्रू दैट पाथ इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट। तो उस समय जब
Yeah.
भी आप याद करेंगे ना तो आपको ऐसे लगता है कि यस आपके साथ कोई है, आपके साथ कोई चल रहा है और जो आपको हेल्प कर रहा है, आपका हाथ पकड़ रहा है और आपको साथ में वो
Yes.
पाथ को क्रॉस करा रहा है। एंड दैट आई रियली फेल्ट इट कि मतलब मेरे साथ मेरी गार्डियन एंजल है और वो मुझे रास्ता क्रॉस करा रही है। एंड आई फेल्ट ऑल थ्रू द मानसरोवर, पूरे रास्ते में मतलब इट वाज अ रियली अ ग्रेट फीलिंग दैट।
Very soon we're all together going to Mansarovar.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, anybody else? Preeti, Lalita.
Tathastu.
Lalita. Yeah. Yes, Preeti, you wanted to share? Lalita?
Yeah, I'll share.
Hmm.
Like today morning, I sent a picture in the group of the feathers. Everybody was sharing कि उन्होंने ऐसा feather देखा, यहाँ देखा, वहाँ देखा. Every day after meditation, I just go down for a small walk. And today, every step I was taking, I could see different feathers everywhere.
Wow.
I was so shocked कि डेली मैं यहीं पे ही आती हूँ लेकिन कभी फेदर नहीं देखती हूँ, तब कि एवरी टाइम ऐसे मुझे क्यों नहीं दिख रहा है फेदर, मुझे क्यों नहीं दिख रहा है, सबको दिख रहा है। और आज व्हेन आई वॉक आई वाज वेरी शॉक्ड कि एवरी स्टेप आई वाज टेकिंग मैंने सिर्फ 8 या 10 फोटो भेजे, तब कि मैंने कम से कम 30 या 25 फेदर्स देखे आज, बैक टू बैक एवरी स्टेप आई कुड सी।
So for anybody who wants to share जो mountains का experience होता है.
हाँ, माउंटेन्स का एक्चुअली हमारे साउथ में एज यू टोल्ड दैट पालकी कम्स, हमारे घर के सामने भी आता था वो पालकी, भगवान की पालकी आती थी एंड करेक्टली वो लोग वहां पे घर के सामने रुकते थे और आरती करते थे वहां पे एंड देन आफ्टर गिविंग द प्रसाद देन दे स्टार्ट मूविंग अगेन। तो और फिर कहीं नहीं रुकते थे, सीधा बहुत आगे तक चले जाते थे। तो वी यूज्ड टू थिंक हमारे घर पे ही क्यों आके रुक रहे हैं। Then slowly we came to know क्योंकि पापा जो हम मेरे फादर थे, he was a very हमेशा देते थे वो, कभी उन्होंने किसी से लिया नहीं, ऑलवेज वो देते थे। तो दैट एक गुड नेचर ही हैड इन तो हम लोग देन आई स्टार्टेड रियलाइजिंग कि वो चीज अट्रैक्ट करती थी एंड वो पालकी वहां पे रुकती थी।
Okay.
तो पूरे रोड पे कहीं नहीं रुकती थी पालकी।
Yeah, this happens. It doesn't stop to anyone. Very rarely it would stop for few people.
हाँ,
That's what used to happen. Yes. Right. So
there is one more story. हमारे जैन तीर्थ है, मतलब जैसे पालितना और शिखर जी और ऐसे जहाँ पे हमारे भगवान उनको ये हुआ है। तो when we go there ना, बहुत बार अगर शाम हो जाती है हम रास्ता भटक जाते हैं, but we always find someone coming there and who will help us to come out of that hill route. और स्पेशली डॉग्स आते हैं, मतलब ये बहुत हमारे इसमें ये है कि मतलब whenever you or if you ask for help you will get the help, कोई ना कोई आके वहां से आपको बाहर निकाल के लेके जाता है, because it's completely jungle and it's on the hill.
yes.
I have heard several people tell me, share my family tell me, especially my cousins. My husband has also gone to Sabrimala. So nowadays all ladies are also
Allowed. Yes.
But then they say it is not, the sanctity was preserved earlier. My cousins and all have told me that whenever they went, every year they will go once, twice, thrice, because especially in Kerala, they'll say somebody pushes them up. It is much better now. The rasta is very good now, but earlier they have to actually
it
go
is
up.
very difficult to climb.
And that mountain, they will always say, we don't feel tired. There's somebody guiding and taking us up. It is always there.
Yes.
Sabrimala.
We already have experienced these angels in our life so many times.
Yes.
Right? Let's continue. I'm just muting everyone and opening.
शैली जी, अभी तक मेरे को गार्डियन एंजल का कुछ पता ही नहीं चला है अभी भी।
पता लगेगा, पता लगेगा, आ रही है वो फटाफट से। Okay, then comes the driving and parking angels. So many times you're driving, you want to arrive on time and you just have to ask. And suddenly you will see the path being cleared, cars idhar udhar ho jayenge, you will find your own way. In spite of heavy traffic, you will be able to find the way and go easily. Go through that and you will be able to reach that place easily. So what's happening here? Of course, your guardian angel helping you, your angels helping you. You just have to ask. Then there are people who would just say, उस जगह parking की बहुत problem होती है, but the moment I will reach, thank you for helping me get the parking properly. I know it's a very small thing, but why not ask instead of struggling when angels are there to help and guide us? Why not ask? There's nothing small or big. Then comes the moving angels who can help you sell your property, buy a new house, help you to shift to another house, improve your finances, improve your living condition, and all of that. It's again the question, are you clear? Do you know what you really, really want? Or you're still like, theek hai, jaisa hai, chal raha hai, and I'm very happy and satisfied. That is also good. But then if you somewhere, if you feel that you need more, then ask. Get that clarity. Okay, this was not in the plan, but somewhere I was guided and I thought that I have to tell you Maha Avatar Babaji, about Mahavatar Babaji. So I got to, as you know, I'm from Himachal. My parents, especially my mom's side, my Nani, Nana, they worship Baba Balaknath, and whenever we used to go to Himachal, वो मंदिर जरूर जाते थे हम लोग. It is somewhere नहा नहीं, पता नहीं कौन सी, चंडीगढ़ से आगे वो जगह होती है, वहां पर है ये, इनका टेम्पल है. So we would go there, and संडे का दिन होता था तो प्रसाद होता था इनका, and Mama ji would do a lot of things and bhajan and all of that, and we would worship him. Later on, his picture was on my mobile and it is still there. When one of my friends saw the picture, not my friend, just an acquaintance, we were just sitting, I had gone to the center and we were sitting and she saw my mobile when I opened it. Mahavatar Babaji ka photo tha, and she said that you believe in him. I said, yeah, I like his golden body, so that's why he's on my mobile. So I like him. Somewhere I feel very connected to him. तब मुझे पता नहीं था कि बाबा बालकनाथ है. मुझे तब महाअवतार बाबाजी ही पता था इनके बारे में. I didn't know about that he's also called. Then she said that if you really like him, then start reading this book, Apprentice of the Himalayan Master. And the minute you will be about to finish, you will meet Shriyam. And Shriyam is a Nath from the Nath tradition. He is now the descendant of this Nath tradition, if you understand this. So I said, okay. मैंने आधा ही complete किया था, and I could meet him multiple times. And when I was reading his book, on one of the page he has written that Mahavatar Babaji and Baba Balaknath are the same. He is the one who has he cannot grow old. He will always remain 16 years old, young, with a golden body. So if you recall, every morning when I do the breathing exercise and after the invocation, I always say that your body is turning into gold. That's where the inspiration comes from. That each and every cell of your body is now turning into gold. And this golden energy has the ability to heal you at all levels. And breathe in. I ask you to breathe in this energy. Take a deep breath, inhale, feel each and every cell of your body turning into gold, and exhale out completely, right? And your entire body is now glowing. Remember, 8 mahine ho gaye ab to. We have been listening to, so he's the inspiration behind this, because he has the golden body and this golden energy. According to him, according to the books that I've read, our body needs to turn gold to reach that level. Maybe platinum bhi ho sakta hai, I don't know that level. I only understand this level till now, which is the golden body, to reach the golden body. And to reach the golden body, to get that golden body, we have to purge, let go of all the negativity. So uske baad, if you remember, I take you through all the vices from your head down to your toe. Whatever is connected to our crown chakra, our forehead chakra, eyes, ears, throat, all of that. We do the cleansing part. Because more we do this cleansing every day, we are reaching towards this, our golden body. Okay, now coming back to Mahavatar Babaji, he is the angel of breath. So whenever you take deep breath, so if you want to connect with him, it is said he gets connected to you with every breath you take. आप अपनी जब आप अपने सांसों पे अपने inhalation exhalation पर ध्यान देते हो, if you concentrate on inhalation and exhalation, you connect with Babaji, and you I'll again show his picture to you. If you have his picture in your mind, keep his picture in your mind with every inhalation and exhalation, you connect with him and he helps you, relieving all your past sins, anything that you want. Because kya hai? Our life is, the most important thing in our life is our breath. If we have the control on our breath, we have achieved. Whenever we get angry, सबसे पहले क्या change होता है? हमारी breathing change होती है, right? और अगर when we are angry, if we control our breath, so we can feel calm. So breath work is the most important thing. That is what Goenka ji in Vipassana teaches us. During the day, every hour, make it a point to connect to yourself through your breath. And while you're connecting to your breath, connect to Babaji. You will see a huge shift. So that was the last thing that I wanted to share with you for this session. Of course, there's one more thing which I'm going to be sharing is there are names of angels. Okay. So there are 72 names of angels and their functions. With every name, I'm going to be sharing this on the group only. Okay? With every name, like if it is Vehula, if you need a fresh start in life, also bestows, if you want to start a fresh life, you can call upon this angel and also helps you to become wise. So this is one of the angels. I'm going to be sending you every day, maybe for next 72 days, every angel where you can understand, learn, and you know जो बाइबल है, बाइबल का एक एक स्क्रिप्चर है, उसके साथ एक एक लाइन के साथ एक एंजल connected है, and these are the angels which are connected to those lines. So let's connect to every angel every day. Every morning I'll be sending you this, okay? So that we can connect to these angels and help heal our lives through them. So today, are you ready for the meditation? What would you like to do? You want to do the healing or you want to do the manifesting? Should we do healing? There's a beautiful meditation where we can call upon angels and write a letter to them and throw away all our vices and write what we want to let go. वो boring लग गया है कि बहुत कर लिए काम, या फिर अब manifest करने की बारी आ गई है?
Healing.
Healing?
Healing,
Yes.
healing,
Manifesting.
Yeah, healing.
healing बहुत
Both.
बात
Shall we both?
manifest हो जाएगा.
It's okay.
Exactly, I was about to say that.
You need to do both.
And
Kelly,
You need to do both.
I don't know how to share this. I have written to you this morning after the ancestral healing.
Shall we
I
do
was
both?
so much at peace, fearless, and the only thing which came to my mind was a great invocation. And I think somehow Master is my first guardian angel. That's what I felt today. So I'm not going to search for my angels. I told you I'm not in search. because that is the only thing which comes to me till I went and came back. That was the only thing I was doing, and it has helped me these 8-9 months I've been with you. I think he is my guardian angel.
Yes, he's with all of us. That's why we are together. That's
So
why he's brought us all together, right?
I, we'll do healing again.
But
There's no
great
boring.
invocation is wonderful, Shelly. Whatever
Wonderful,
said and done.
really.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Whatever said and done, it is something, it is kind of
Whatever I
got into
told
a
her,
system.
Yes.
I never, till even today, I didn't feel any ancestral thing. I was very much at peace. I don't feel bad because I feel that I'm getting their blessing and I'm also blessing all my ancestors. But believe me, from morning as I attended till about a little while ago, this is all was resonating in my mind. I think he is my guardian angel. So
Good.
can I write his name first?
He's your guru.
Okay, that's
He's not
what
your
I
guardian
thought.
angel.
Yeah, you told us the other day. God and Guru is different, but somehow he guides me every day.
He's guiding you. He's got you onto the path. He's guiding you all the time. He's sending you all the wisdom, all the people who will help you, right? That's why we're all together, helping each other. But guardian angel का तो ये तो हम बच रहे हैं कि हमें पता नहीं चलना चाहिए. We don't want to be escaping. It's an escape route that we're trying to find.
No, I didn't mean that. What I felt was he was, I felt very protected and safe. I felt very good.
Yes,
Very
the presence of Guru actually makes you.
Only guide you, Giri. Wait for some more time.
Saraswati with persistence के आज तो बता के ही जाना है. Believe me, I did that. I said I don't know, but I just want to know your name. And then suddenly, believe me, that name kept knocking in my head, and I'm like, ये नाम क्यों knock कर रहा है? And then I realized that this is what I was looking for.
See?
It just kept repeating as if he's banging on my head with a hammer. Till now you listen, and I'm telling you, you're not listening to me.
Ma'am, daily night I am praying. Daily night I am praying. Since last 2 days तो pray करते हुए रात में ये ऐसे लगा आंखों में पानी भी आ जा रहा है. Come on, angels, please मुझे आप.
You will get it. Kirti, you will get it.
Who are you?
It'll happen. It'll happen when you're not
It will
ready.
happen, yes.
They are
You will not realize it, and you will have it will happen.
Relax your mind, relax your
Yeah,
body.
yeah.
Don't ask.
Yes.
It will
When
happen
you're not
automatically.
thinking anything now, when your mind is
Yeah.
completely
Yeah.
thoughtless,
Then it'll just hit you.
that's the
It'll
time when it
happen
will come.
automatically.
And especially if you're sleeping, that's the time
And
when the name will come.
It's not going to be somebody
start
you
with the
are
meditation.
associated with, I feel. It's just some random thing can happen.
Ah, just a random name, it will keep repeating in your mind all the time. And then you wonder, ye ka. And especially the songs, ask for songs. If you want to understand your life, right? Ask for what kind of song am I going to resonate with? What is my life song that I need to sing?
Shelly ma'am. Shelly ma'am.
Yes, Suma.
Ma'am, that song, Opal and Hare, I don't know, since 2 days, that song is ringing in my ears. I was so happy.
Yes, that's so beautiful. Okay, let's do the meditation. We'll do both. I'll do the manifesting, but before we start the manifesting, are you clear what you really want? You need to get clarity also, na? Randomly kuch bhi nahi uthana. So now that we are seeking angelic help and we're all together, let's be very clear of what we want in our life. And usi se connected, I will give you the opportunity to throw away all that you do not require in your life. Okay? So let's do it. Take few minutes. It's 4:37. Take few minutes and yes. So whatever the last, okay, so if you want a son-in-law for your daughter, then you have to visualize that she's very happy with this person. If you want a good health, then you have to visualize that, yes, this is the perfect health. How does a perfect health looks like to you? What would you do if your health is perfect? How would it look like to you when your daughter is happily married with your son-in-law? What does that scene looks like to you? So the end result, if you want to get into a big house, how that house looks like to you. If you want to manifest anything, how does that relationship looks like to you? Yes, Suma, it is in autobiography of a yogi, Mahavtar Babaji's picture. जब मैंने वो पहले पढ़ी थी तब भी I could not connect with Babaji. I didn't know Baba Balaknath and Babaji are the same. Because he's the one who's guided the author of this book. Okay, let us begin. Yogananda. One wish at a time. Let's concentrate on one wish. Okay. So close your eyes. Think of that perfect wish that you want to manifest and all that is preventing you from manifesting. And if you could please switch on your cameras, it will be easy for me to connect because I'll keep asking you, are you with me? And I want you to nod your head. Because half of the time I don't want you to just go zone out. Sleep. Okay? And keep each and every member in your consciousness, in your mind. Just scroll through the screen and see everyone. And keep everybody in your consciousness. That the wish of every person be fulfilled. Because we're all here for something, right? So close your eyes. Remove your specs and relax your body. You're going on to a most beautiful angelic realm. Let's go together and have some fun. Let's become like a child again. हम पिकनिक के लिए जा रहे हैं. All of us together. And take a deep breath, inhale and exhale. Switch off your mobiles. Relax your body, relax your mind. Take a deep breath, inhale and exhale. And as you relax your mind and body, you become more and more open to the angels around you. Mentally say, dear God, to my Creator, we now come to you. Thank you for helping us heal We request your assistance. We know that you're always with us, guiding us, sending your beautiful angels to help us in this healing process. We are ready for the healing. Please surround us with your healing light and love. Surround us with your hundreds of angels. And we are so grateful for all your love, all your blessings, and the messengers from you who's helping us on this path. Feel the love. You're now inside a beautiful ball of light. And this beautiful light has a consciousness of its own, which is helping you release, heal all the negativities, all the blockages, all the resistance that are preventing your healing at physical level, at energy level, at emotional level, at mental level, and at spiritual level. This white light, this white ball of light is healing. You're absolutely safe. We are safe. We are guided. We are protected. Take a deep breath and exhale. And as we are connecting to our breath and as we are getting deeper and deeper, there are thousands of angels around us. This place is beautiful where you are. Feel the angels. And now you can see your guardian angel stepping in, holding your hand. She's taking you down the steps. Take that one step down with your guardian angel. Another step down. Another step down. Another step down. Another step down. And as you're going down with your guardian angel, you're feeling good, you're feeling safe. Give yourself permission to relax your body, relax your mind. There's a beautiful mist that's around you. And with every step, it's a beautiful carpet that your feet is sinking into. It's cushiony, it's soft and very comfortable. As you take another step down, there's a beautiful mist that surrounds you. Inhale the mist. And as you inhale this beautiful mist, its beautiful fragrance, you feel so good, so relaxed. Another step down. And as you move to step 1, you step into the most beautiful angelic realm. And you're walking with your guardian angel. With every step, your steps are going deeper to the cushioning. It's like cottony soft. It's a beautiful gate that you're asked to enter. As you enter this gate, you see Archangel Raphael, which is helping you to heal. The most powerful angel for healing. As you call upon the angels, you see so many of them around you. Your guardian angel take you to a beautiful throne where you sit like a queen. And as you sit there, there's an angel who comes with a bucket. They're coming flying to you with a bucket. What would you like to put in that bucket? Your worries, your anxiety, your fear, worries for your health, your relationship. What would you like to put in this bucket? One by one, put all your worries. And as you put your one worry in one bucket, the angel fly away. There's another angel who comes. Be willing to release all the pressure, all the frustration, all the pain, any addiction, any obsession, any lack of faith, lack of belief in your own self, in your body, to heal itself. Any bad relationship that you're going through with yourself, with others, with your family members. The moment you are putting all these worries and concerns into the bucket, there's a beautiful dust, pixie dust, which is being showered upon you, filling you up with love, completing you, healing you. Another bucket, there's another angel which flies to you with another bucket. Place all your worries, all your concern about yourself or any of your family member. Any issue that you have with your parents, your children, your siblings, Any unresolved anger, anytime you wanted to shout, scream, cry, all those emotions, just keep putting into this bucket. It's being released completely from your system, Mentally keep saying, thank you for this healing. Thank you for helping me heal. All the past memories that are connected to you, which has created this illness or sickness in your body, which you don't know of. All the worries and concerns that you're unconscious of. Let it all out, let it all go. Keep putting your concerns, your worries into that bucket. Archangel Raphael is working on your cellular structure. Each and every cell of your body is now being cleansed and healed. Any dark energies in you are now being released completely. You're being healed. All the negative cords that are connected to you in this lifetime or any past lifetime that you know of or you don't know of. All the fragments of the past are now being healed, cleansed, healed, and harmonized. Archangel Michael is now working on the top of your head with a beautiful tube connecting to your crown. All the residue of the past and all that you're holding on to, still holding on to, which you're resisting to let go. Archangel Michael, with your presence, thank you for helping us heal and let go of all our worries, all our concerns, and all that we are unable to let go of. Vacuum away all the negativities from each and every cell of your body. Archangels Michael's band of mercy is working on every cell of your body, every organ of your body, healing you completely at all levels. If you have any issue with any part of your organ, any part of your body, ask for this healing. Any emotional issue, ask for the healing. And now once you feel lighter, are you all with me? Just nod your head. Okay. Archangel Uriel is holding your hand and folding you with the light of God. You feel so safe, so protected, so healed, so happy. Any regrets, any guilt that you're still holding on to is now being released. Archangel Uriel is helping you to surrender all those issues, all the guilt that you're holding on to. Take a deep breath, inhale and exhale. Trust. The God is watching over all of us, helping us in this healing process. And once you're done, you walk to the most beautiful place with your guardian angel and all the angels around you, Archangel Michael, Raphael, Uriel, Jophiel, along with you. You walk to another room. That's called the manifesting room. And there's another big throne where you ask to sit. Are you all with me? Okay. And over here, they ask you, they give you a huge slate, a huge screen is in front of you. And on that screen, you have the power to create your life. What would you like to create today? What would you like to create? What would you like to write? Want good health? Write good health. I'm blessed with good health. Write that wish which you want to manifest. And as you're writing, it's turning into gold. Trust that it's happening. Your heart is now expanding with love. You're filled with so much of love and happiness and joy. It's a beautiful world. You feel so protected, so warm, so cared, so loved. It's so heaven-like. And you wish to give the same experience to your family members. Your energy levels, your frequency is now at the peak. And as you have written your manifestation on that big screen, whoosh, it goes to the universe as your order to be manifested. Let's give this experience to our family members. Hands in blessing position, everyone. Feel all your family members in front of you. This love, this joy, this beauty of God, this love of God that we have experienced, this joy, this happiness. May all our family members be blessed, be healed at all levels. May hundreds of angels now surround them, heal them at all levels. Blessings of angels be with everyone. Your children, your spouse, your family members, your parents, your in-laws. Feel them dancing with joy. If you want a great relationship with any one of them, visualize yourself with them, jumping with them, dancing with them, so happy with them. With the blessings of the angels, all the grudges, all the resentments are now being disintegrated from our heart, from every cell of our body, and from the body of our family members, from the energy body of our family members. May they be immensely blessed, healed at all levels. Now visualize the earth in front of you. May the thousands and millions of angels surround every person. All those people who are suffering, all those people who are going through difficult times, all those people who do not believe in asking for help, who do not believe in receiving, who shy away from asking, who shy away from receiving. May they be blessed with the wisdom, with light, and help and guidance. Blessings of God be with every person. May they feel their angels and ask for help and live a beautiful, purposeful, and a meaningful life, higher life, greater life. Put your hands down, and from that angelic world where you blessed all the people, gently, slowly, you are coming out of the room with your guardian angel, frolicking, feeling happier, coming out of the angelic realm. And as you come out of the angelic realm, there is a beautiful rainbow that you are supposed to slide down. You sit on that rainbow, sliding down with your guardian angel, seeing the world. And as you're getting closer, you can see your country. As you're getting closer, you can see your state. As you're getting closer, you can see your home. And as you get closer, you can see your room. And as you are getting closer, you are in your room. And on the count of 5 to 1, you will gently and slowly open your eyes with your angels by your side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes. Rub your hands, your head, your neck. Be with the blessings, be with these energies. It's real world out there. Yes, thank you.
That's a very beautiful
Thank you.
experience.
Thank you. Thank you, Shelly.
Thank you, Shelly ji.
Shelly ji.
Kind of a feeling.
Let's
Thank
share our
you,
experience.
Shailiji.
Yes.
Shelly ji, I wanted to share something.
Yes, Rupali? Tell us, Sita.
Can I?
Yes, Rupali.
When we started, I was literally like that day. Someone felt that he was on the top of the ground. So 2-3 feet I was top. I was floating, and beautiful birds were flying in front of me. And then somebody took hold of my hand. Again, I saw my dad, and again I'm seeing one small child. Always there is one as a small child, but I don't know who's he. So whenever I'm doing this meditation, I see dad and someone else with him. So again, we went down and I saw that everything, and last 3 days I'm very disturbed in family. So everything, the negativity is going away and everything. I was feeling very, very calm and very nice.
Great.
I also felt like, white light around me when you said for Archangel Uriel. No? I actually felt I was covered with white light.
Superb.
Shelly,
I
can I
could see
share?
गुंजन को देख के मेरे अंदर आइडियाज आ रहे थे, and I would saying things
दादू
और निकल जाए और निकल जाए, ये भी
दादू
गुंजन का.
Shelly, can I share?
Yes.
I could actually feel, Shelly, from like deepest of my somewhere something was coming out, and it just wanted to release. And this is this little angel. This is this little angel somebody has given me. And I sat with it today, I said, this is my angel. I'll hold on to it for my meditation. And I don't know, it was just coming out, constantly. Because I don't know, we've been talking about it, but somewhere that fear of, healing is still there. So, and today I just wanted to release it, I want to heal because I'm in so much of pain. And I've been praying to the angels, to God, ki just let me, forgive me for my sins and please let this thing go. I'm so sorry. Please, I don't know. I'm very sorry for what I've done, but please.
No, you've not done anything. You're just on the path. Simple as that. And I have told you, Gunjan, जब ऐसा कुछ होता है ना, तो it is happening for the best, and something more beautiful is there at the end of this tunnel.
Yes, I know. I'm waiting. Yes,
it is coming. It is coming.
Yes,
just
I'm
hold
waiting.
on.
Yes.
Shelly ji, can I share?
Shelly, like I told you the first day or second day, I don't remember. Today also a very evident jerk in both my legs. A very evident jerk in my this thing, and towards the end, some sweet feeling in my mouth, as I've eaten some sweet. Some sweet, like suddenly towards the end, I don't know.
Amazing.
Shelly ji, can I share?
Yes, Asita.
आपने जैसे बोला ना कि गार्डियन एंजल्स आपका हाथ पकड़ के आपको लेके जा रहे हैं, आई डोंट नो, आपने ही मेरा हाथ पकड़ा था और रेनबो से नीचे आते हुए भी आप ही मेरे साथ थे. Be my guardian angel.
I'm not a guardian. You will find a guardian angel soon.
पूरा टाइम सिर्फ आप ही थे जिन्होंने मेरा हाथ पकड़ के लेके गई, थ्रोन पे बिठाया, थ्रोन से लेके गई, वहां पे मैनिफेस्टेशन रूम लेके गई, वहां से आप मुझे रेनबो से लेके नीचे आए. पूरा टाइम आप ही का हाथ था. And you were there with me.
Share something.
I don't know why.
Yes. Shelly, I wanted to share something.
Yes. That's beautiful. I feel so good.
Yeah, I wanted to also share
Yes,
something.
Alka ji. Yes.
Yeah, see, जब आपने वो कहा था कि गार्डन एंजल हाथ पकड़ के ले जाती है, so there was a lady, और I know my guardian angel is a lady, जो मुझे हाथ पकड़ के ले गई. और जब मैं वापस रूम में आई, तब एक चेहरे पे इतनी अच्छी खुशी थी, मतलब जैसे कोई कुछ मिल गया है, and there was a satisfaction inside. और बहुत ही अंदर से I was feeling very good. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. And I'm still feeling very good after doing this. Thank you very much.
Take out time and that everybody's wishes are manifested here.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, we'll pray after the session also gets over. Pray that everybody's wishes are manifested. Those who want healing, may they be healed. Those who want emotional balance, may they be emotionally balanced. Those who want greater relationship, may they have the most beautiful relationship, most loving relationship. Let this manifestation happen in everybody's life. Miracles of angels happen in everybody's life. No? That will be something amazing that will happen.
Amazing. Yeah, wow.
Yeah, and how this happens, when we are blessing each other. Again, coming back to that story, the heaven and hell, the difference between hell and heaven. Heaven, everybody is feeding each other, right? So here what we're doing, we're blessing each other.
Yeah.
Beautifully, we form this group where we are blessing. We're not thinking uska na ho jaye, mujhse pehle, mera pehle ho. No, that's hell. But again, go back and let's pray, bless that everybody's wishes are manifested. The more we bless each other, I think somewhere we're also manifesting. We see multiple hands coming to us as well, right? So many helping hands.
Anybody shares anybody shares the success story, you feel it's yours, We don't feel anymore, it's not ours, We are so connected.
Absolutely. So beautiful.
Shelly ji, today also I felt in my both the ears today, the vibrations, the strong vibrations. Both the ears I felt today.
Amazing. Great. मन करता है ना कभी वो beautiful celestial sound सुनने का पीना.
Yes.
कभी रिकॉर्ड कर लेना हमारे लिए सुनाने के लिए.
शैली जी.
Yeah. Okay. One more thing.
पानी आ रहे थे और कमलेश ने भी आके घर पे आके तुरंत ही पूछा मुझे, क्योंकि पहले उसको थोड़ा सफोकेशन और सब होने लगा था, तो आके तुरंत ही घर पे आए हम लोग, तो आके पूछा मुझे कि सोना तूने एंजल भेजे थे क्या मेरे लिए? मैंने हाँ भेजे थे. तो बोले मेरे को 2 मिनट में मतलब पता चला मुझे कि मेरे को सब कुछ नॉर्मल हो गया.
Wow.
Very nice.
So beautiful.
और मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि रफेल भेजना का है कि किसको भेजने का है. मैंने जस्ट एंजल को रिक्वेस्ट किया ऐसे.
ये तो अच्छी बात नहीं बोली आपने लास्ट में.
नहीं मतलब
लेकिन angels, the intention was there, so angels heard her. No, that's important. Shelly ji.
Yes. Of course, I'm joking.
Yeah.
Because we are not very familiar with the names, so that is
very soon become very familiar. But Raphael is for healing. Raphael
Yeah.
is for healing.
Green and green color light.
Yes. And Michael, Archangel Michael is for cutting all the cords.
Cut the cord. Yeah.
Purple light of protection. Always shielding you. Yeah.
Keep repeating. We'll keep repeating.
Shielding with purple cloak. Always ask him to shield you with a purple cloak. Always. Yeah.
Yes. So angels also have a symbol. Okay? And एक क्लास में वो symbols बताना, share करना, याद करना is not easy. So again, as I told you that I'm going to be sending you material. Okay, so today onwards I'll keep sending you chota dheere dheere some material which will help you. And how I've used this, I have just shared how I've used it in my life. All the information that I've given you, this is how I've used it. And the symbols of angels, there are prosperity symbol, there is abundance symbol, there are healing symbols of angels. Sigil, they call sigils. So मैं हर रोज एक दो sigils भेजूंगी. What you can do is you can write it on your body. You can make it on your body, on your left hand side. For abundance, for healing, for whatever it is, just make it. What I had done was when I was going through this healing phase, I've taken my picture और उसके ऊपर मैंने वो बना दिया था symbol. So you can do that also. So I'll send you those healing symbols and you can do that, do the same thing. Okay. So I think that is all for today. The class will not end. This is not the last day. The journey still continues because angels are with us, always guiding us or dheere dheere telling us what to do, holding our hands. And of course, the group will remain. We keep sharing our success stories, our angelic stories with each other to inspire each other. Okay. Yeah, so can you please repeat about the symbols? Yes, angels have symbols. Angels have given us symbols. And I'm going to be sharing those symbols with you. What you can do is, just दिन में जो symbol भेजूंगी, you can just make it on your arm, left side. And that's it. You're done. Simple. Okay. So that's all for today. I can stop the recording.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shelly.
Anything about
Okay,
Zebu?
ma'am.
Zebu signs? What are Zebu signs? What are Zebu signs?
Zebu signs are angelic symbols.
Oh, they are also angelic symbols. Okay.
Yeah, that is what sigils are, na? Zebu signs and angelic symbols are same.
Same thing. Okay, great.
पहले जी वो सिंबल्स कलर से करना है, कलर पेन से कि क्या है?
I'll tell you कौन से colors है. जैसे abundance है, that you'll do with green. If you have anything else with blue, whatever, so you can draw with your fingertip. So you need not have colors. You can do with your fingertip as well.
Okay, तो ऐसे ही दिखेगा नहीं ना फिर वो तो.
But energetically तो आ गया ना.
In the air, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Shelly.
सरस्वती गाजर का हलवा बन गया? ठीक है.